the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine.
And it goes a little something like
Good damn day, everybody, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Shelby, and we are back with another Shein haul. Okay, so I did one a couple weeks ago, and the video actually did pretty good. So I actually decided we'll do another one, and it wouldn't be a Shelby Shein haul, apparently, if I didn't come back wearing White Fox. But look how cute this set is. This is their Spicy Gal set. And it's got like little puff paint on it, and I am literally obsessed. You will catch me wearing these all summer long, okay? Yo, we got it all. When I say that we have a Shein haul, we have a Shein haul. These are mostly dresses. I think there is one swimsuit and a pair of denim shorts. I've never ordered denim from Shein. I have ordered swimsuits. And I really wasn't going to order a swimsuit because I just got a bunch, but this swimsuit is really cute, so I had to have it, okay?
Okay, let's go.
I am going to go ahead and get this stuff out of the bags, organize it, and then we'll be right back to try it on. So after opening everything up, I see that I have a pair of shorts, a shirt, and a bathing suit, and then I have a sweater to go over one of the dresses, and then the rest is dresses. There's probably about 10 or 12 dresses, I think, and one of them is really good quality.
oh my god, wow!
So I'm very surprised, and I will probably save that one for last, because when I opened it, I immediately went on to Shein and tried to place another order for the other color, but unfortunately it was sold out in my size. So for that specific brand, I got a couple other items, and I will do a secondary video with that. So without further ado, let's get started. And here is the first outfit. So it's a pair of denim shorts, but I really loved how these had these cute little flame detailing on them, and I'll do a little close-up. But I really loved the flame detailing and how frayed they are. They actually fit pretty much perfectly, so if you do your measurements, definitely these should fit pretty well. They are a little baggy around the crotch and thigh area, but that's not really a problem for me. Then I got this absolutely adorable black strapless. I do already have this in pink, and if you've seen my video, my best friends pick my outfits for a week, you'll see that this is in there. My best friend Molly picked this in, it's like this hot pink, and I absolutely love this shirt because, one, this will not fall down. This has like this hard plastic, maybe it's metal, V in the center, and that just prevents it from falling down. And then it's got these cute little chiffon sleeves and a belt that you can either wear with it or not, however you feel. I generally wear it because I just think it adds a little more and it cinches in your waist a little bit. But yeah, this is the first one, and honestly, it's a win from me. On to the next. And here is the next outfit. This is a swimsuit. I really just got this because of the top. I thought the top was so cute that you could honestly wear it as its own little thing. I am wearing underwear under this, so if you see that poking through, that's why. But it's this really cute mesh swimsuit. I do really like this. I did get it a little bit bigger because I just like the extra coverage. I don't like things to be skin tight on me. So I'm not sure what size I ordered this in. I'll put it on the screen here, but I do like the fit of it. I would genuinely probably balance. I would genuinely probably just wear this as a fun little top going out or something. So now I'm going to go ahead and hop into the next outfit, which is starting the dresses. And we've got a lot of them, so stay tuned. And here is the first dress. I really do like this dress. I do think that if you have bigger boobies, you may want to size up a little bit. This fabric is pretty non-forgiving, but you can wear it like this, up high on your shoulders or off the shoulders. It is a tie around your breasts. It was a little snug getting it on over top of my boobs. You honestly could probably wear this without a bra. I really do like this. I think it's very cute. It's got like a little frill at the bottom, and I really think this is actually a very cute dress. So let's get into the next one. And here is the next dress. I am kind of obsessed, okay? This has that fun, flirty little sway to it. I don't feel constricted. Basically, when I was looking for dresses, that was my main agenda, is that I just wanted some fun, breezy dresses. I am not super fan of the tie shoulders, but this one, it's just so cute. I love the print of it. I love that it still has this fun little cute slit in it, and I just love the fit of it. It's so fun in, like, I feel like I could frolic through a field, but honestly in like a little Scandi way, because it still has this cute little slit. It's fun. It's fresh. And yes, I don't have no socks on this time, and my toes aren't painted. Don't zoom in on my feet. Thank you. No free feet content here. Okay? What? On to the next one. And here is the next dress. This bad boy's long, and figuring out how to get into this was a challenge. And if you buy this dress, the one thing I can state is take the straps down and just step into it and figure your way out there, okay? I do have a strapless bra on, but yeah, as you can tell, this is probably one of those dresses that you can't wear a bra with, because, ready for it? Ba-bam! She's backy, okay? You can see my back boobies, and that's fine. Leave them alone. I love them. It's got a very fun high slit in it. It's very, very long. But I'm also very, very short. I mean, I am 5'4", so I'm pretty average. But I do got little legs. I have a longer torso, but baby legs. I do really like this dress. I like the way it looks. Yeah, you can't wear a bra with her. So you're going to need booby tape and then that double-sided tape to like... Because I am a little worried that if I was chilling at dinner or something, I sit down, you know, I'm flashing everybody in the restaurant. Sorry. Anyway, here is the next one. So when I tell you I screamed when I saw how vibrant these colors were on this dress, I screamed so loud that you probably thought a murder was happening in my house. It wasn't. It was just me being absolutely ecstatic about the colors of this dress. She is fun. She is flirty. She's a little booby. So you're definitely going to need double-sided tape. It's a little baggy over here, and that might just be my error in sizing. But if I would have gone down a size, I don't think it would have fit right here very well. It's got enough room in the back that you could probably hike it up a little bit, still wearing a strapless bra, and then just figure out how to clasp it there. But I love the colors of this dress. The fit up here, not my favorite, but it's nothing that I can't figure out, you know? If you love bright, vibrant colors, you need this dress. Walk, don't run. Wait. Run, don't walk. You just gotta... It's so cute. It's so fun. Ooh. On to the next one. And here is the next one. You guys, this is so fun. She's flirty. Like, I feel so dainty and cute and adorable in this. Like, the way it hits. I love this. This is so cute. I do gotta figure out this situation a little bit because it's a little bit wonky right here. But I love the color. I love the print. I love the little slit. I love the way this falls. I'm just obsessed with it. What do you think? It's so cute. And we're going to go ahead and get on to the next one. Oh my God. Stop. Who in the freaking Anne of Green Gables? I am living for this dress. Like, I love that I could do this with it, still be cute, do this with it, still be a little Scandi. We've got the slit, my guys. Like, you guys. I did size up a little bit on this. I think it has a little bit of stretch, so you could probably stay at your normal size, or maybe a size above if you want that, like, slightly looser fit which your girl is all about that slightly looser fit because I like to be comfortable. I just don't like things touching me too tightly. It's tight, it ain't right, my guys, okay? So yeah, I am obsessed with this. I love it, and I will probably wear it all the time. Okay, on to the next one. And here's the next one. You know, I just started complaining about how I don't like things to be tight, and then I show up in a bodycon dress. I don't have Spanx on, so you're gonna see everything right here, and probably that I ate a gluten-free breakfast sandwich this morning, and that's fine, okay? But this was the dress that I ordered this really adorable little cardigan with. I just felt like it would add something to it. Without the cardigan, the dress is kind of a flop for me because this top, I don't know if you can see, the top looks really cheap and ugly. It does have these cute little ruching, which adds a lot of nice oomph to your curves, and I figured that this sweater, which honestly is really nice quality except for these little ties, these will probably fall off after one wear or even going through the wash, but that's fine. I want to get the white pair of Doc Marten Jadens, and I really think it would be cute with this. We do have about 4 more dresses left, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop on to the next one. And here is the next one, you guys. Once again, I've got a love for this fit of dress. It's just leaves enough room. It's got that cute slit. It's kind of revealing, but not too much. I just absolutely love it. And I am a big fan of red. I love everything red. I don't know why. I don't know if it's my favorite color anymore, but when I wear red, I just feel like a boss ass bitch, and I feel like a boss ass bitch in this. I love the cute little slit, that little moment, super fun. Would pair it with some heels, you know, just this is just effortlessly cute. On to the next one. And here is the next one. This one was so annoying to put on, but it's actually pretty cute. Okay, I'm going to turn around. This has 2 different ties. The first one is the halter, which I barely tied because 1, I'm hot. 2, I can't find my hair tie to put it up, so I kept tying my hair into it, and I was getting really mad. So that's not really tied. We're praying right now, okay? And then it's got a secondary tie right here, and I tell you, I just jumbled it up and just like tried to knot it. So the back is not what it would usually look like if it was done up appropriately, but I'm telling you right now, I can't be bothered, okay? So don't judge me.
Oh my God! What is that?
Don't judge how I tied it, okay? But just so you know, you're always gonna see white. I think that's a little cheesy. Should have all been the same color fabric as this. And then you do have a nice little slit. Balance. Which is fun, it's flirty, it's cute. If I tied this up appropriately, it would probably be really cute, but the boob area is a little bit wonky, I'm not gonna lie. It's cute, not my favorite, don't really love the fabric, but the fit of it is pretty cute. So yeah, on to the next one. And here's the next one. Can you tell what dress style I was literally obsessed with when I was shopping? Girl, she is spicy. She's fun. I'm obsessed with the print of this. It's so cute. I love her. Oh my God. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Walk, don't run. Get these dresses, babies. Get these dresses. We are on to the last dress. So at the beginning of the video, I told you there was one dress that the quality blew me away. This is that dress. It is by the brand Rusty Dusty. It is so cute. It is a little bit big, but I love it. I love the feel of it. I love how soft it is. I love it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here is the dress originally. I am literally obsessed. It goes all the way to the floor. It does have a second layer here. The quality of it is so nice. It's like a chiffon, but it's the softest chiffon ever. I would probably throw on a belt right here and a cowboy hat for my look. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab those really quick and I'll be right back. This is kind of how I would style it. I would wear it kind of like this with this cute little hat and some booties, and this cute little belt is probably the general idea I would style it with. Might work around it a little bit, but I just think that this is so forking cute. So there were some big winners for me. One, this dress. I mean, hello baby, she's cute. The other dress that I am shooketh by is that white and blue one, and this is her right here. Tell me that that is not so freaking cute. And then if we're gonna go outside of the dresses, I'm gonna tell you right now, that black shirt with those black shorts, I love, not the pair together, but as separate. Absolutely adore them. What was your favorite piece? Let me know. I did order a couple more pieces from the Rusty Dusty. I'll do another video on them. If you enjoyed this video, please take a minute to smash that subscribe button and become a member of the Toasty family, and give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, good damn bye everybody. I'll see you next time. Also, is my eyeshadow a little bit crazy? I was feeling crazy. Okay, bye.
You are a summer and after fall.